Osborns. Welcome to our new episode of our massive 100-part video series on Excel AI Analytics to learn data analytics.
Whether you are a complete beginner or experienced user of Excel application, you will love to click on the button with purpose to know more about Excel Analytics with AI.
Welcome back, friends. After determining the value of our projects with NPV, the next logical question every stakeholder asks is, what is our actual rate of growth? Today we are explaining the return rate of return periodic. To a layman, IRR is the interest rate your project generates. Imagine you put money into a savings account. The bank gives you a percentage return. In business, IRR tells you that same percentage for a specific project or investment. The periodic IRR function in Excel assumes your cash flows occur at regular equal intervals, typically once a year. It calculates the specific discount rate that makes the net present value of all your cash flows exactly zero. When you see IRR result, it acts as a project's efficiency score. If the IRR is higher than the cost of money you borrowed to start the project, you have a profitable venture. It's an ultimate metric for comparing two different opportunities. For a modern day analyst, IRR provides a universal language for profitability. It simplifies complex cash flows into single powerful percentage that drives executive decision. Join us in the next video as we tackle the precision-based XIRR for irregular dates. Thank you.